Good morning student, myself Krishna Chauhan from PN Institute. Once again continuing with the chapter electrochemistry. In the last lecture or in the last video I have told you regarding the Daniell cell. हमने Daniell cell के बारे में पढ़ा that how the Daniell cell is working, what are the reactions going at the anode and the cathode. Okay, so today we will once again continue with the topic of the electrochemistry. हमने कल जो पढ़ा था इसके बारे में what we have studied is regarding the different your two type of different electrode. One is a anode, another is your cathode. Okay, so one is your anode, another is a cathode, and in this also anode and cathode are there. So in this also we have studied that this is going to give you oxidation. या को क्या दे रहा है? This is going the oxidation, and this side it is going undergoing your reduction. ओके ये हमने पढ़ा. ऑक्सीडेशन में क्या हो रहा है? जिंक मेटल फ्रॉम द सॉलिड स्टेट, जिंक मेटल फ्रॉम द सॉलिड स्टेट इट इज गोइंग इनटू द Zn+2 स्टेट और इन द एक्वेस फॉर्म. वेयर एज द कॉपर विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द सॉल्यूशन, हमने कल पढ़ा था कि कॉपर के पास जो आयंस है Cu+2 के आयंस, वो क्या करेंगे? दे आर गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड दे आर गोइंग टू सेटल ओवर द दिस कॉपर इलेक्ट्रोड. वो क्या करेंगे? कॉपर के इलेक्ट्रोड के ऊपर इट इज गोइंग टू सेटल एज द कॉपर सॉलिड. Okay, so this is the rough thing which we have studied yesterday, and today we will continue with the three different cases in which what the or how the Daniell cell is going to behave when an external, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? When we are going to apply an external battery also. See, in all this diagram, it is in all these figures, you can easily see here that what is given, a external battery is also joined in the entire apparatus of the Daniell cell. What we have studied yesterday is that only this much is the Daniell cell, in which anode is there, cathode is there, they have been dipped in the respective electrolytes, they are connected by the external wire like this, and then that is the only basic construction of the Daniell cell. But today what we are going to see here is that if I am adding an external battery, if I am adding an external battery, E external means the external battery has been added. This is the external battery we are talking about. Okay, and what we are doing, the external battery is having different voltages. Okay, we are not going to keep the same voltage battery. We are undergoing three different cases of the galvanic cell in this. Okay, so for the first one, what we have done is, first of all, if I am putting an external battery in which the external battery is having voltage less than 1.1. See, in the last video I have told you about the E cell, the E naught, or you can say the E cell is equals to E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode, which we have seen. What was the cathode? Cathode was the copper. So copper के लिए कितना था reduction potential? It was 0.34, whereas for the anode it was 0.76. So the entire voltage, total voltage was 1.1 volt. कितना आ रहा था? The galvanic cell is having the total voltage of 1.1 volt. Now what we are doing, the external battery which we are adding in this galvanic cell will be kept in comparison with the 1.1 volt. First comparison will be done in which the external battery is having lower value or lower voltage than the 1.1 volt. In the second case, we are going to apply the same voltage which is equal to the galvanic cell, which is 1.1 volt. And in the third case, if the external battery is having more voltage than 1.1, then what kind of chemical reaction will take place? Okay, so in this one we are going to basically study about the three outcomes, or we will see that what will happen if an external battery is even bit added in the galvanic cell. So first of all, I would like to start with the first case in which the external battery, जो बाहर की बैटरी है उसका वोल्टेज कितना है? It is less than 1.1 volt. 1.1 volt किसका है? Galvanic cell का खुद का है. The galvanic cell itself is having 1.1 volt. And now the external battery which I am going to put from the outside, or we are going to join from the outside, is having value less than 1.1. So what will happen after joining this kind of battery, this kind of external battery having voltage less than 1.1 volt, still the electron will be moving from anode towards the cathode. What will happen? The electron will move on this side and the current will show you the direction opposite to the movement of your electron. So current is going to show you the movement in the opposite direction of the applied voltage, or so the electron. Okay, so what will happen in this condition? Also electrons flow from the Zn to the copper. Zinc dissolves at the anode and the copper dissolves at the cathode. This is the normal. What is there? This is the normal functioning, or you can say this is the normal functioning of galvanic cell. of galvanic cell. Okay, so now moving towards the second part. In the second part, what is that? The external battery which we are applying. Once again, in the galvanic cell, the external battery which we are joining is having voltage exactly equal to the galvanic cell. जितना galvanic cell खुद बना रहा है electricity, जितना उसमें खुद में है, that much amount of electricity only we are applying from the external. Same 1.1 volt is been applied from the external. So what will happen at this time when the equal voltage has been applied, no flow of electrons or current will take place and therefore no chemical reactions will take place. हमने क्या देखा? अगर जो बाहर से लगाई हुई जो बैटरी है उसका भी वोल्टेज जो गैल्वेनिक सेल जितना ही इफ इट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग देन इट इज गोइंग टू not give you any kind of the chemical reaction or no current will be produced in that. Okay, and in the third case when the external battery is having voltage more than 1.1, जितना गैल्वेनिक सेल बना रहा है अगर उससे ज़्यादा वोल्टेज वाली बैटरी मैंने बाहर से ज्वाइंट कर दी, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, द रिएक्शन विल गो इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. क्या हो जाएगा? पूरी की पूरी रिएक्शन उल्टी हो जाएगी. व्हाट विल हैपन, द एनोड, हमने क्या पढ़ा था अभी तक, Z1 was working as एनोड. अब एनोड क्या बन गया? आपका कैथोड. जो कैथोड था आपका कॉपर, वो अब क्या बन गया है? नाउ इट इज बिकमिंग एनोड. सो द रिएक्शन विल आल्सो वर्क लाइक दैट ओनली. एट एनोड व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग? सी हियर एट द एनोड हमें पता है क्या हो रहा था? ऑक्सीडेशन वाज देयर. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? ऑक्सीडेशन वाज टेकिंग प्लेस. हियर एट द कैथोड अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा? दैट रिडक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. हमने पढ़ा दैट रिडक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. सेम थिंग इज देयर हियर राइट नाउ. व्हाट आई हैव सेड, अगर बाहर की बैटरी जो बाहर से लगाई हुई बैटरी है उसका वोल्टेज इफ इट इज मोर देन 1.1 मतलब पूरा का पूरा सेल क्या हो जाएगा? इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन और इन द अपोजिट मैनर. The anode will work as cathode and the cathode will work as your anode. That is why zinc is working as a cathode and copper will work as your anode. Now what happens? The reaction at the the reaction which are taking place at the anode is oxidation. होना क्या चाहिए था यहाँ पर? Now it is going to do the oxidation and the copper, this one, the cathode zinc, it is going to work as your, here the reduction will take place. What will happen? Right now what will happen? It is going to undergo oxidation and this is going to undergo the reduction. So now the zinc is going to get dissolved in the solution. In this condition what will happen? Zinc is going to, the copper is going to get in the solution and zinc is going to get on the electrode. It is going to go and get deposited at the electrode. Respective reactions I would like to write at the cathode. At the anode, at the copper what will happen? It is working as anode. So now the reaction will be, what will be happen? Copper is going to get dissolved as copper plus 2 and releasing 2 electrons. क्या किया उसने? It is going to release 2 electrons. देख सकते हैं आप, this 2 electrons are been given by the anode. Those 2 electrons will be given to the your cathode side towards the Zn, and now the reaction will be somewhat similar to the your this one. Zn plus 2 from the aqueous are going to get settled in the form of Zn after absorbing the or after taking up the electrons. Okay, so these are the three. Here no current are been formed. I is equal to 0. Okay, no current will be formed as no electrons will be neither this is going to lose the electrons, neither this is going to absorb the, or it is not going to take up the electrons. Okay, so these are the three different, or you can say 3 different conditions in which how the galvanic cell will behave. हमने अभी क्या देखा कि galvanic cell अगर बाहर से बैटरी लगाओ तो कैसे, the 3 different patterns in which it will behave on the addition or on the application of the external battery. Okay.